Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the HENRY MARGU Willow style. This is a new 2021 style that I've been very excited about, and I'm so glad I can bring it to you. What excites me about this style, not just that it's long with these beach waves, but it's a natural density. It's a very natural looking wig that I think, for what you get with the quality, is affordable. Willow is a long, wavy style with gorgeous cascading waves that flow down your back. It's 23 inches long overall. It has a lace front that offers off the face styling and a left-hand side monofilament part, which gives you the appearance of natural growth along the parting space. Well, let's not waste any time. Let's take a look at the cap and the features. Willow's wig cap features temple to temple, sheer lace front that is 100% hand-tied. You have a very deep left-hand side monofilament part that is also hand-tied. Under this fabric mesh is a small amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and stability. On either side of the cap, you have velvet adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. You have a velour covered extended nape with Velcro adjusters on either side that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. The cap size of Willow is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now, this wig fits me a little snug right out of the box with the adjustable straps on the loosest setting, so I don't think it would work well for someone with a larger than average head size. However, if you're a petite or petite average, I think you can wear this style. The fiber is a high-quality Moda acrylic regular synthetic fiber, not heat-friendly. It feels very silky and soft to the touch. It does not have any shine. It's just beautiful. The temple-to-temple lace front is well done. It gives the appearance of a natural hairline and allows off-the-face styling. The left-hand side monofilament part has a nice parting space. If you wanted to make it wider, you could always pluck the fibers along the part. It gives the appearance of natural growth along the part. Let's talk about this fantastic brunette color, 7H. This is a chestnut brown that has caramel highlights, and you can see the highlights here and throughout. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Well, let's look at some styling options that you have with Willow. This style looks very pretty and natural, tucked behind the ear. And you can also take the length. Now there's quite a bit of density here. Give it a twist and secure it in an updo. You can really have fun with intricate updos with this long wavy style. But here is Willow secured in a quick updo. This style looks beautiful in a low ponytail. Because you have this fantastic lace front, you can wear this style off the face. Now you can simply, with your fingers, comb this style back off the face, or you could use a headband for a quick and easy new look. What's not to love about this quality wig? Everything about it pleases me so much. The lace front is perfect, the monofilament part. I love the natural density and the wave pattern of this style. It's just beautiful. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Willow, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. You know, I've received wigs from Pinkee Promise for a couple of years now, and I'm so pleased with their customer service. If you have questions about styles or choosing a color, you simply email support@pinkeepromise.com. Now, when you visit their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear Willow, we would love to hear your experience with this style. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.